Welcome to Clever Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify if you have an oxygen sensor causing an engine misfire on your 5.3 or 6.0 liter Chevrolet. Customer called me from Michigan, and so I was able to remotely log into their scan tool. And what I did is I went to freeze frame information, and I found that when the misfire was happening, bank 1 fuel trims were adding 52% of fuel. And so first thing I did is I went to the oxygen sensor. We did some data logging after the engine was warmed up. I had them snap the throttle a few times, and on bank 1 that upstream sensor was not responding at all. So I had them go ahead and replace the sensor with an OEM sensor. They came back, I remotely logged back in. We monitored bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 1, and they were both responding correctly. I did not get that part on recording, but they did go ahead and take a test drive, sent me a text back, said everything's running great. So hopefully this will help you out.